We're here on Offsite Dirt. I'm your host, Audrey Grabesic.
And I'm Kent Anderson with Wesco International's Manufactured Structures Group. Audrey, it's so great to be here with you today.
Thank you, and thank you for talking about offsite construction. One of the things that we know as great partners are leading the industry. It's all about finding vendors and having those collaborations with so many different individuals and individual companies. How does Wesco go through that process to find those companies?
You know, Wesco, we've been in business for 100 years, so we've got some pretty great long-standing partners from a long time in the industry. But those partnerships that we build even today are, we have stringent qualifications to be suppliers to us. We want to make sure that you can maximize your supply chain capabilities and help us to help our customers. And we look for the right partners to work with in that. And that's why that we're really very excited about being here on Offsite Dirt to talk about some of our partners that we have.
So it's about value, it's about commitment, it's also about supply and demand, and then it's also about interviewing those companies to make sure that they are a good asset for your brand as well.
Absolutely, because it reflects on us, right? If one of our vendor partners can't get material on time, the customer's going to see it as our fault, and we don't like to be in that position at all. So having those great partners is really great.
Well, we have talked to so many different individuals, companies, representatives, and it's definitely clear that Wesco is making a huge movement forward in order to make that happen.
Thank you. We're doing our very best, and we're so glad to be a part of the off-site construction industry, which we've been a part of for 40 years. But with all the new entrants and new people talking about off-site construction, it feels like we're starting all over again, and what a fun time to be working in it.
It is fun. It's an exciting time of the year. It's an exciting time to be in the industry, seeing the disruptors, seeing those individuals and those companies that are creating new innovative solutions. And those solutions are also because of the partnerships with Wesco. So one more thing that you'll know about Wesco.